Welcome to Perfect Destination, where I help you to boost your info stock through some mesmerizing visuals. First of all, we should know what is an antique. An antique is an object or work of art which is rare and hence considered a collectible item. It is highly valued due to its age, craftsmanship, quality, and historical importance and rarity. The origin of the word antique is from Latin word antiquus, meaning old, ancient, old-fashioned. Antiques can include furniture, jewelry, artwork, carpet, and books, etc. Now we should know what age is considered an antique. As a common rule of thumb, objects that are 100 years or older are considered as antiques. While valuing an antique, a specialist look to see how rare the piece is, how many were originally made, materials used, and the craftsmanship. Also, condition of the antique and how much is demand for it. Now, we should know what is the difference between an antique, collectible, and a vintage object. Old objects are often slotted under one of three categories: antiques, collectible, or vintage. However, their value is not based on the categorization. It is based on its demand in the market. An antique is an object more than 100 years old. Collectibles are old but less than 100 years. And vintage items are those that are less than 25 years old or have come back into the fashion.